Essential business skills every entrepreneur needs. Intro. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Are you an aspiring entrepreneur looking to start your own business? Or maybe you're already running a small business and want to make sure you're doing everything right. Either way, this video is for you. In the next 3 minutes, we'll cover the essential business skills that every entrepreneur needs to know. Time management. Effective time management is crucial for entrepreneurs. It's not just about being busy, it's about being productive. So, what is time management? Simply put, it's the process of planning and controlling how you spend your time. To manage your time effectively, you need to set clear goals, prioritize tasks, and avoid distractions. For example, let's say you have a project deadline in a week. You need to break down the project into smaller tasks, allocate time for each task, and create a schedule. This will help you stay focused and on track. Financial literacy. As an entrepreneur, you need to have a good understanding of financial literacy. This means knowing how to manage your finances, create a budget, and make smart financial decisions. Financial literacy is not just about numbers, it's about understanding the impact of your financial decisions on your business. For instance, if you're considering taking out a loan, you need to understand the interest rates, repayment terms, and potential risks. You also need to know how to read financial statements, such as balance sheets and income statements. Marketing and sales. Marketing and sales are essential business skills that every entrepreneur needs to know. Marketing is the process of promoting your product or service to potential customers, while sales is the process of converting leads into customers. For example, let's say you're launching a new product. You need to create a marketing strategy that includes social media, email marketing, and content marketing. You also need to have a sales plan in place, which includes identifying your target market, creating a sales pitch, and negotiating prices. Communication and teamwork. As an entrepreneur, you'll likely work with a team, whether it's employees, freelancers, or partners. Good communication and teamwork skills are essential for success. For instance, let's say you're working on a project with a team. You need to communicate clearly, set expectations, and delegate tasks effectively. You also need to know how to resolve conflicts and manage team dynamics. Problem solving and adaptability. As an entrepreneur, you'll face unexpected challenges and obstacles. You need to have strong problem solving and adaptability skills to overcome these challenges. For example, let's say you're facing a cash flow crisis. You need to think creatively, cut costs, and find new revenue streams. You also need to be adaptable and willing to pivot your business strategy if needed. Risk management. Risk management is the process of identifying and mitigating potential risks to your business. This includes financial, operational, and reputational risks. For instance, let's say you're considering a new business venture. You need to assess the potential risks, such as market competition, regulatory changes, and financial risks. You also need to develop a risk management plan to mitigate these risks. Recap and call to action. That's it for today's video. In summary, we covered the essential business skills that every entrepreneur needs to know, including time management, financial literacy, marketing and sales, communication and teamwork, problem solving and adaptability, and risk management. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and comment below with any questions or topics you'd like to see covered in future videos. Thank you for watching.